This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making the camera usable. Open Settings and confirm camera permission for the app you'll use. Once done, launch Oneplus's default camera in photo mode. That mode uses the fastest autofocus for codes. Move the phone so the QR fills about half the screen at roughly 6 to 12 inches away. Make sure autofocus locks. Tap the screen if needed, because a steady, focused frame is how the scanner recognizes the pattern quickly. Once the camera detects the code, you'll see a banner or lens icon. Tap it to reveal the action. If the camera doesn't auto-scan, open Google Lens from the camera toolbar or use the dedicated Lens app. Lens extracts URLs, text, and contact info. You can also enable the Control Center QR scanner for quick access. Make sure the QR is well lit and the phone is steady. Adjust distance slightly until the preview highlights the code so you can proceed. After the scan, preview the detected content. You'll see a URL, contact card, or Wi-Fi details. Tap to open or copy. You should verify the domain or info before proceeding to avoid malicious links. If it's a contact, confirm fields before saving. If the camera refuses to read the code, clean the lens, restart the camera, and try again in brighter light. As a final tip, switch to Google Lens or a trusted scanner app if the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.